What's up, everybody? Space Ghost here. Welcome to the channel. Do me a favor, smash the like, drop in the comments, let me know what you think about the Florida's new 300 times the cash. We're on the hunt for that 300. We're doing a $80 session. We got a pinky. We got tickets 4 and 14. We'll start off with a new one. Only symbol we found on this so far is the 5X. We're hoping to find some more, knock them out. Alright, ticket odds are 2.93. We're looking for the 10X, 20X, 50X, 100, or the 300. Here we go, baby. Ticket 4. Let's see if I can pull off for us. Here we go. 18, 56, 60, 75, 31, 41, 39, 71. Sure you guys are good, lined up, all dialed in.
Come on, Jabeebus.
Here we go, baby. Come on. Right off the rip, they hit us with a 24. 24. Right, 65 popping in there. We got the reverse. How about a 53? Come on. 23, no go. 72, one off. 69, double deuce, one of our favorite numbers there. There's 8 popping in there. Good old number 1. 16, we got the 18. Let's see, 30, one off. 38, no go. Come on, 29, they got 39. Got a 4 on the 4. 19, nope. 45. So far, our biggest win on this has been 200 bucks. Watch the video. Let's see, 43. Let's see, 14, reverse. 33. Bam, guys, we got the 5X popping in there. Heck yes. Second time we found that guy.
Arr, mateys.
Heck yes. Go into pirate mode. If you haven't checked him out, check out Pirate Scratcher.
One-eyed Jabeebus here. Arr, where's my
Arr,
rum
mateys.
pirate? Arr.
Let's see, 67. And it looks like no matches, just the 5X. Not unless they hit us with a bonus. Should we do the bonus?
Yes, we should
Feel
do
like
the
we should.
bonus.
28. 58. Niner chilling out over there. Alright, just 5X. Big zeros. Come on. Thought that was going to be 100 for a minute for 500, but we'll take that 50 piece all day long. Heck yes.
Gerby,
We're
we're
on the
not
board,
walking
y'all.
the plank today.
Man, you got 50 back. Let's see, good old Pinky. So the silver line over here pays off on ticket 14. Here we go, baby. Come on.
Scratch my pinky. Oh.
See, we got that 56, deuce, 75. Good old 17, 19, 65, 29, 28, 73, 33.
Scratch it faster.
Come on, something good. Alright, only thing we haven't gotten on this has been the 500X, 100X, and money bags. We've hit everything else. Here we go. Come on, baby. Let's go. Hit us with something good right off the rip. 18, sandwich. They gave us a bologna sandwich.
I want some bologna lips.
52. He stole all their chips. There's 46.
Salt and vinegar tastes mighty good,
8
boy.
popping in there. There we go. Let's see. 32. Time to rise and shine. Come on, Pinky. 23. We have 33 over there. Let's see. 44 and 9. 44 and 9. Yep. 76. Let's see. Just a regular 4. 68. Nope, got 58. 11 and 78. No go. 70 and 27. Let's see, 72. One off. 53. Nope. 47 and 41. You won a single match for that top prize. 79. About a 59 one off. Good old 1 and 13. 42 and 14. 14 on 14. Let's see. Good old 12 and 16 chilling together. Let's see. 60 and 37. We got the reverse. Let's see. 21. My biggest one on this ticket has been $500. Let's see. 24. No. Down the home stretch. 66. Double deuce. Now they're teasing us.
What
71.
boy?
No,
I
reverse.
can't
Come on,
see.
clutch.
What you doing,
Good
boy?
old lucky number 7. Oops. Sorry about that. Alright. And now it's all up to the bonus up here. Here we go, baby. 45. No go. Come on. 56. No, we got the reverse. They did us dirty like that. But heck, we had a fun time playing. We got 50 out of 80. Can't complain about that. Got another symbol win. Gotta love those. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. Smash the like button on the way out. Drop some comments. Let me know what you think about the new tickets. And hopefully you guys enjoyed. Stay safe, and we'll scratch you later.